And y'all
No.
two stupid looking motherfuckers. You got two big dumb giants. Just two niggas that they can never get the size shoe for. Just two awkward shaped ass big niggas. That's what y'all are, man.
What's going on? What you
Two
drinking
stupid
on?
looking people.
What you
I'm
drinking on?
drinking wine, man. I'm drinking wine. I ain't doing nothing but drinking some wine. Mother's Day, Nico said she was good. Gave her a nice morning, some brunch, and now I'm just chilling, talking shit. What do you do?
Brunch? What's that?
I gave my wife a brunch. You don't know what brunch is?
What do you mean you gave your wife a brunch?
It's like a lunch and it's like a breakfast and lunch combined. It's called brunch. That's
Okay,
what it is.
so you gave your wife a brunch. So during this epidemic, you waiting tables now. That's what you're telling me?
First of all, I actually did wait the tables.
That's what you're telling me? Well, give me a Sprite then. I mean,
where the hell are you at?
Orlando.
Orlando?
Yep, just chilling.
What year are those blinds from behind you?
Hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. I want you to say hi.
Let me see.
Baby, say hi to Kevin.
Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Shaq. Babe, look at this man's feet. Shaq got it. Look at Shaq's foot.
Hey,
God,
happy Mother's Day.
Shaq. What Shaq. Hey, man. It's dead.
The foot is gone.
It's dead, man. Shaq.
Say hi to my wife. My feet had brunch today too. Hey, Nico.
Hey, man.
I hope you enjoyed your brunch.
Shaq, your foot look like a deer hoof. What the fuck is happening, man? Jesus Christ. It's
That's
dead.
20.
I gotta get you to the doctor. Your foot's got it.
That's 28,000 points, 4 rings. What? My feet got COVID.
Your foot's got COVID. It's got
No,
it.
you know what? My feet look like Avion Crockett's grill.
Yeah, fucked up.
I told Avion he got the mouth of a piranha.
Y'all good? Where the babies at?
Hey, man, babies are all around, running around. They all running around.
Can I say hi?
Running around. I don't need to tell my babies that you said hi.
Can Uncle Shaq say hi?
You're a giant. They hear you. Your voice is echoing through our house.
But I want them to see my face so they can say hi. That's all.
That'll scare him.
It will not scare him. I bet you $1,000 that when I smile, he gonna smile. Bet it.
Kenzo. All right. You did the $1,000 bet. If my son cry, I want the money. We in a pandemic. So I need you to send it. I need you to send it ASAP.
I'll send it.
Zoe, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say
hi. My name is Uncle Shaq.
Say
hi. Oh, you see smile? Oh, I win.
Scared?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared?
Smile?
You gonna cry? Are you gagging? Shaq, he's gagging.
Oh, see,
wrong,
no.
What's wrong?
You made him cry. You made him cry.
He's scary?
He's an actor.
Shaq scare you?
Yeah.
No, he's an actor.
Let him talk. Let him talk. Did Shaq scare you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Scared you a little bit?
I love you.
Say shoe, Shaq.
I love you.
Say shoe. Say shoe, Shaq. Say shoe. Say go away, Shaq.
Can I have some chips?
Yeah. No, he can't.
Can I have some chips?
It's okay, son. I know. I got it. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Say.
Oh no.
You made him
I want my $1,000, man. I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry, honey.
You made him cry. That ain't right. That ain't right.
No, you just made my son choke on a chip, man. Wait. Are you okay, son? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what you do. You watching the Jordan doc right now or no? I'm in LA.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Where you think I'm at, Shaq? You know where I'm at. You know me. By the way, Atheon just said you look like Black Shrek. I just saw his comments. He called you a Black Shrek. You don't like Atheon. You don't have to be mad at Atheon, man. Atheon's a great guy.
Come on, Atheon. You come harder than that.
He's a great guy. You did make my baby cry. For that, I'm done with you.
I'll be glad when you pass puberty, so your beard connect.
Okay, I'm sorry that you're able to take the hair off your fucking ass and put it on your face. That's ass hair. Look at your beard. None of it's laid down.
Your beard look like you got facial crabs.
I got a nice look. At least I got a nice flow to mine.
Your beard look like you got facial crabs.
That's a
Get some facial
combination
crab
between
lotion
ass
and
and
put it
pubic
on your
hair.
beard so it can grow out. You the only dude I know from Philly who beard don't grow out.
Hey, and nobody does the ball chin strap anymore. Okay, you the last nigga left. Let it go. You the last one left. You and Moses
What you
Malone.
mean?
Let it go. That's it. You and Moses. Nobody else has done it. All right? Looking
All right,
like
boy, I
a
love you. See me later.
love you back. By the way, you look like
All
a
right, boy.
fake ass
Yep.
Karl Malone with a wife beater. I'll see you later, man. Take it.
Bye. Bye.
I got nothing else better to do with my time, honey. Nothing else better to do with my time. One more. Do with my time. One more. One more. Give me one more. By the way, y'all was